Take your medicine.
No.
Take your medicine now.
Fuck no. I'm not taking my medicine. I'm not ill, and I'm perfectly fine. I don't need to take this stupid shit.
Teagan, you are not well at all. You're refusing to eat proteins and carbohydrates, which is making you very weak. You need to take your medicine so that you don't get worse.
For the last time, I am not sick, and I'm perfectly fine. I am not weak. I'm very strong and I'm not going to die. I'm immortal, and nothing can kill me, and I've got forever ahead of me, so I don't really need food. Now stop worrying about me because I'm not sick.
How many times do I have to tell you this? Immortality is not real, and it probably won't be. You need to stop watching so much shit on YouTube because not everything on the internet is true, and there are liars everywhere. So take your medicine right now or else you'll get even more sick.
No, I'm not sick, I'm perfectly fine. Just stop telling me to take my fucking medicine, because I don't need it and I'm very, very strong and powerful, and no one can stop me.
Take your medicine right now, please, or else you're going to get very, very sick.
You know what? I'm so fucking sick and tired of you forcing me to take my medicine, when in fact, I don't need it. I'm perfectly fine and I'm not going to get sick. Fuck it. I'm going to set the kitchen on fire.
You better not.
Yes, I fucking will. I'm going to do it. I'm going to set the kitchen on fire. Here we go. Wah, wah. Now to stick a fork in the toaster to set the kitchen on fire.
Teagan, how dare you set the kitchen on fire? That's it. You're grounded for 65 forevers. Go to your room and think about what you've done.
Huh.